Now we're going to move on to the pickup. This was kind of a pain in the butt too, but it was by far easier than putting on the tuning machines. Stayed with the all black stick here. What it was that the wire from the pot to the output jack was extremely short, so getting up under there to unsolder this pickup was kind of a pain, but fortunately it was only one pickup, so it didn't take that long. Here's the Guyker one, the bridge one, obviously. You have the 5-wire system, so you have the green and the bare, which is the ground, the red and white, which is for coil splitting and stuff, which I'm not doing. So we're going to go ahead and put some heat shrink wrap over that. The black is the hot, so that's the only one we're going to be soldering to get the sound out, obviously, and then take my soldering iron, just melt that heat shrink wrap a little bit, and there you go. So now the pickup, perfect fit into the pit guard, by the way. Direct replacement there. Didn't have to like sand the pit guard or anything. I've had to do that before with other stuff, other pickups, and the Guyker was a complete fit. So we go ahead and put that back on there. Let's go ahead and string it up with some SIT 10-46. Thank you, Brad at Hop Frog Music, for recommending these strings to me years ago. I've used them on and off since, and they're great. Run through the bridge, like I said before, through the back. Loosen the screw on the back of the tuning machines. Run it through, pull it taut, tighten them up, tune it up. Dead easy. That's the benefit of locking tuners. And then last but not least, the big bad wolf sticker down here at the bottom to round out this project.